everyone and welcome back to my channel. For today's video I have something special. I'm not sure if it's special, but anyway, I have these carte postal original vintage postcards in my stash, and I wanted to craft with them, but I thought, yeah, I'm not going to use all 8 and then they're gone, you know. I'm not much of an hoarder. Normally, I'm not scared of using something original. But sometimes you want to do things to it and then you're like, okay, I can never reclaim it either. Sometimes I put this in a journal and then I will leave it as is and then I can just take it out of the journal, if that makes sense. Or I do a tab on it, which is also fine. But for this time, I thought, okay, you know what? I'm just going to scan them, front and backs, and then if I ever want to use them, I can, and then I can always print off the back up. Or if I want to do something drastic to it, like cutting it apart or tearing it apart, I mean, something like that, then I can always print off the scans and keep the real ones, if that makes sense. Because yeah, these are one of my favorite things. I just love these things. They are amazing. And so yeah, I did scan these, and then I made these envelopes, right, the other day, these ones. And then I wanted to make more envelopes because I'm still in the mood for envelopes, and I think it's a great little project. Now I'm not going to make the same ones. We're going to make different ones. But then I thought, how cute would it be if we make like real small ones and then put these cards in? Because I have resized all of them to really small sizes. And then I thought we can make envelopes that these will fit in. And then you can use them on clusters, on pockets, on corners of a journal. Make a corner tuck spot. You can put them on belly bands, or, you know, we can put them anywhere, actually. And I thought that was such a fun idea. I thought, okay, yeah, I'm going to do that. But then I already had scanned these. So yeah, I thought, okay, you know what? I'm also going to print them to see how they look, and they look really good. So I decided to make this page a freebie, and this is an 8-page kit with all 8 cards, fronts and backs, and both will be listed on my Ko-fi page, which is listed down below in the description. So if you want to support me, you can do so by getting this kit. And if you want to craft along, just download the freebies. So yeah, that's pretty exciting, right? I don't know if anyone is interested in these cards. I don't know. I have no idea. If not, that's totally fine. But I just wanted to share. Maybe you like them. And these as well. So yeah, let's get started with the video. The rest of the video will be sped up with a voiceover like you are used of me. Now, before we get started with the rest of the video, I want to thank you all for watching. I hope you are enjoying my content. And if you are new to my channel, welcome. I hope you will enjoy it as well. For everyone, please be sure to be subscribed, like, and comment on the videos. Also, hit the notification bell so you will never miss an upload or one of my makes. So yeah, without further ado, let's continue with the rest of the video. I start out by gluing all the pieces together, fronts and backs that match. And because this is glued down together, you might have to trim off some excess. I did try to make them the exact same size as much as possible. And I'm going to glue them with some glue stick. After I have glued them all together, I am going to roughen up the edges a bit with my scissors, and I'm going to do some sanding as well. After I have did the sanding and the roughing up, I am going to do the inking, and I'm using my vintage photo and ground espresso, which is my favorite combination. It's now time to create the envelopes. I have created some squares. The size was 2 3/4 of an inch. And I'm going to determine where the middle is with my ruler and a pencil, and then I'm just going to fold a little envelope. And after I have done all the folding, I'm going to cut out all the corners from the fold lines so that it's less bulky. I'm then going to ink around all the edges and the creases. I'm then going to glue down the envelope, and I'm going to use some art glitter glue for that. And then I'm going to place in a envelope, or a postcard, sorry. I've then made all of my envelopes, and then I decide that I want to make some even smaller ones. I did leave 2 postcards just as is, without an envelope, because I want to make some clusters. And I thought it would be nice to vary a bit, hence the Innie Mini envelopes. And I'm going to do it the same way. I'm just going to fold them as I did and cut out the corners. And the size, I think these are 2 by 2, but I'm not 100% sure. Make them very small. I think 2 by 2. I'm then going to glue those down as well with some art glitter glue. And I just love how cute these are. I'm then going to assemble my clusters. I'm going to try to make sure that they are not too similar. As you can see here, I'm going to use a red postcard because I already had 2 of the white ones. I'm putting one little dot on top of the point of the envelope because I want this one to be closed. And I'm also going to sand down the corners of the bigger envelopes a bit more to make them look a bit more worn. And that's the first cluster done. We have 2 more to go. I'm glad I didn't glue down the postcards inside the envelopes because now I can still swap postcards if needed. And then we're going to make the last one. I then did some sewing and I'm going to place a few postage stamps to add final touches, and I'm also going to do some stamping and then the clusters will be done. We're now nearing the end of the video, so I want to thank you all for watching. If you like this project, don't forget to leave a like and a comment. Also, don't forget to grab the freebies from my Ko-fi account, and the normal kit will also be listed there and the links are down below. So if you do want to support what I do, be sure to grab the kit. So yeah, thank you all for watching. Have a nice day and I will see you in the next video. Bye!